Hello, I am Sujoy and I welcome you to my another exciting video on numerical methods. Today we'll learn how to find matrix inverse by LU decomposition with the help of Casio fx-991ES scientific calculator and lots of cool tricks. So let's start. These are our given matrix A, which is a square matrix. In square matrix, number of rows equals to number of columns. So here A has 3 rows, row 1 or R1, R2 and R3, and 3 columns, column 1 or C1, C2 and C3. So A is a square matrix. Matrix A equals to L into U sub-matrices, where L and U stand for lower and upper sub-matrices. Now let's find out matrix inverse directly on this calculator. For that, press mode, 6 for matrix, 1 for matrix A, 1 for 3 cross 3 matrix. And let's enter the elements. To enter the element, type in the element and press equals to enter. Press AC to clear screen. Press shift 4, 3 for matrix A and this button for inverse. Press equals to. So A inverse is -9, 3, -4, 3, -1, 1, 4, -1 and 2. Now let's find the submatrix U. So this is matrix A. We have to decompose matrix A into upper triangular matrix U, where the values are there in the upper triangle and lower triangular values are all 0. This form of matrix is called row echelon form or REF of matrix, obtained by Gauss elimination method, also called row reduction method. So let's do that. To get matrix U, we have to get 3 zeros at this and this positions. To get a 0 at this position, we can multiply row 1 by 2 and subtract that from row 2. That's written here. R2 equals to R2 minus 2 into R1. Let's do that. 2 minus 2 into 1 is 0. 2 minus 2 into 2 is -2. 3 minus 2 into 1 is 1. Next, to get a 0 at this position, we can add row 1 with row 3. That is written here. R3 equals to R3 plus 1 into R1. Let's do that. -1 plus 1 is 0. -3 plus 2 is -1. 0 plus 1 is 1. This is our new matrix. Next, to get a 0 at this position, we can multiply row 2 by half and subtract that from row 3. That is written here. R3 equals to R3 minus half into R2. So -1 minus half into -2 is 0. 1 minus half into 1 is half. So you have got matrix U very easily. Next, to get matrix L, first we will write all diagonal elements as 1, 1, 1 and 1, and all upper triangular elements as 0. Next, during U, to get a 0 at this position, we used -2. To write opposite of -2, that is +2, at this position in L. Similarly, to get a 0 at this position, we use +1. So we will write opposite of +1, that is -1, at this position in L. Next, to get a 0 at this position, we used -half. So we will write opposite of -half, that is +half, at this position in L. So we have got matrix L also. Let's write matrix A equals to submatrix L into submatrix U according to this formula. Up to this point, it was LU decomposition by shortcut method. And next, matrix B equals to A inverse or inverse of matrix A. We know any matrix into identity matrix equals to that matrix. So we can write A into I equals to A, or by transferring A to left hand side, A into A inverse equals to I, or A into B equals to I, because B is A inverse. That is written here. Matrix A into matrix B equals to matrix I, where I is the identity matrix, where the diagonal elements are all 1 and every other elements are 0. But matrix A equals to L into U sub-matrices. So we have to find matrix B with the help of L and U sub-matrices. So we will find matrix B column by column. Let's do that. Matrix L into matrix Z equals to constant matrix C, where constant matrix C is first column of matrix I 1 0 0, and Z is the matrix containing elements Z1, Z2, Z3. L into Z equals to C, or we can write L inverse into C equals to matrix Z. Let's do that on calculator. So I have entered matrix L as matrix B on this calculator and matrix U as matrix C on this calculator. And now I will enter matrix C as matrix A on this calculator. But right now matrix A is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So I have to change the dimension. For that press shift 4, 1 for dimension, 1 for matrix A, and 3 for 3 cross 1 matrix. Enter 1 and 0 0 is already there. So I will do matrix B inverse into matrix A, that is matrix L inverse into matrix C to get this matrix. Shift 4, 4 for matrix B, this button for inverse, into shift 4, 3 for matrix A, press equals to, that is 1 minus 2 and 2 is our matrix Z. Next we will do matrix U into matrix B equals to matrix Z. Z is this matrix, where B is the matrix containing B1, B2, B3 elements. Or we can write U inverse into Z is equals to matrix B. Matrix Z is stored as matrix answer from our previous calculation. So I will do shift 4, 5 for matrix C, which is matrix U, inverse into shift 4, 6 for matrix answer, press equals to. It will give me minus 9, 3 and 4. This is equals to first column of matrix B or first column of A inverse. Next we will do L into Z equals to C. This time C will be second column of I, that is 0 1 0. I will enter C as matrix A again, shift 4, 2 for data, 1 for matrix A, 0 1 0. I will do L inverse into C, that is shift 4, B inverse into shift 4 matrix A, press equals to, that is equals to matrix Z or 0 1 minus half, stored as matrix answer. Similarly we will do matrix U into matrix B equals to matrix Z, which is this matrix. Or we can write matrix U inverse into Z equals to matrix B. So I will do shift 4, 5 for matrix C, inverse into shift 4, 6 for matrix answer, that is this matrix, press equals to. It will give me 3 minus 1 minus 1, or second column of matrix A inverse. Finally I will do L into Z equals to matrix C, where C will be third column of matrix I, that is 0 0 1. Or I can write L inverse into C to get matrix Z. I will enter matrix C again as matrix A on this calculator, 0 0 1. So I will do shift 4, 4 for matrix B, inverse into shift 4, 3 for matrix A. I am doing L inverse into C, press equals to, that is 0 0 1 or our matrix Z. Next I will do matrix U into matrix B equals to matrix Z. Z will be this matrix. Or I can write U inverse into Z equals to matrix B. So I will do shift 4, 5 matrix C inverse into shift 4, 6 for matrix answer, which is our this matrix, press equals to. It will give me minus 4, 1 and 2 is our third column of A inverse. So matrix B equals to matrix A inverse equals to, this is as first column, this is as second column, and this is as third column. So these are our matrix A inverse. So that's it for now. How was the video? Let me know in the comments below. If you like the video, please like and share the video. That will really encourage me. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video. And still then, stay connected by subscribing.